In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to load custom.dll from the list error 126. So first thing you want to do is go to Windows Security. So here you'll go to Virus and Threat Protection and then Protection History. So if you see the name of the folder or the error, you might have to just scroll. You'll have the big list. So just click here and then click yes, then click action and then click restore. So you'll have to do this to the name of the error. So if you don't want this to happen, you can actually go here and then go to virus, and then here go to manage settings, and then down here go to add or remove exclusions. So here you'll have an add option. So let's say you're having this error with a game, then you'll click add and then click file, and then what you'll have to do is just put the location of this file. So let's say like GTA folder, right click, and then you want to open the file location for this game. So I would just open Epic Games first. So here I would go here and then manage, then this is the folder. This is the folder location for GTA 5. So I would just copy this path and then I would just paste it here. Folder, and then paste the path and then click select folder. And this will add it, so it will no longer be used as a threat. And you can also disable real-time protection here. So disable this option. So once you do this and you're still having issues, then you can actually go here to CMD, then run as administrator. Now here you can run the following command: DISM online cleanup image restore health, and then press enter. Then second command sfc/scan now, and this will repair any issues that is with DLL folders. And once it's done, you can just restart your PC and this should fix it.